The Certified Quality Auditor (CQA) exam, administered by ASQ, American Society for Quality, covers a broad range of quality auditing principles, tools, and best practices. Mastering the key topics and concepts is essential for passing the exam and excelling as a quality auditor. In this lesson, we'll cover 1 major subject area is covered in the CQA exam. 2 key concepts and quality tools you must know. 3 commonly tested audit scenarios and principles. 4 tips for prioritizing your exam preparation. By focusing on these areas, candidates can enhance their study strategy and improve their performance on the exam. 1 major subject area is covered in the CQA exam. The CQA exam is based on the ASQ body of knowledge (BOK) and consists of 5 key areas. Auditing fundamentals, 20%. Types of audits, auditor roles, and professional conduct. The audit process, 36%. Audit planning, execution, and reporting techniques. Auditor competencies, 18%. Communication, conflict resolution, and reporting. Quality tools and techniques, 21%. Root cause analysis, statistical sampling, and continuous improvement methods. Audit program management and business applications, 15%. Managing audit programs and ensuring compliance with ISO 9001, IATF 6949, and other regulations. 2 key concepts and quality tools you must know. Risk-based auditing, RBA, identifying high-risk areas and using FMEA, failure mode and effects analysis. Statistical sampling, understanding AQL, acceptance quality limit, and different sampling methods. Process approach to auditing, using SIPOC, Supplier Input Process Output Customer Diagrams. Nonconformity classification, distinguishing between major and minor nonconformities. Common quality tools, Pareto charts, control charts, and fishbone diagrams. 3 commonly tested audit scenarios and principles. Handling audit nonconformities, writing objective findings, and proposing corrective actions. Conducting supplier audits, evaluating supplier compliance and process controls. Ethical challenges in auditing, managing conflicts of interest and confidentiality. Using objective evidence, ensuring audit conclusions are based on data and facts. Tips for prioritizing your exam preparation. Review the ASQ CQA body of knowledge and focus on high percentage content areas. Practice with sample questions and timed mock exams. Use open book exam strategies. Highlight key sections and practice locating information. Join study groups and training courses. Participate in ASQ forums and study sessions. Key takeaways. The CQA exam covers 5 key areas, including auditing principles, quality tools, and program management. Candidates should focus on risk-based auditing, process control, and statistical sampling. Commonly tested topics include audit scenarios, ethical dilemmas, and nonconformity handling. Effective preparation includes practice tests, open book strategies, and study groups. By mastering key concepts and exam strategies, candidates can boost their confidence and improve their chances of passing the CQA exam. In the next lesson, we'll explore common mistakes candidates make on the CQA exam and how to avoid them.